Introduce features interest of Blueskysea Full HD 1080p 130° wide view rear camera for Blueskysea B4K, 4K front dash camera. Let's take a look at what people who have bought or used to mention, how it is. Highlight features or overview summary are include 360 degree rotatable camera body, ideal for all different angle back windshield. With 130-degree field of rear view, you will never miss anything if a rear-end event. With plugging the rear camera, you can see the images of the front and rear cameras on the screen at the same time, including 3 modes. Large front and small rear, small front and large rear, front and rear split screen. Rear camera installation, suggest stick the rear camera on the back window, which is easier to route the cable along the ceiling. With upgraded image sensor captures more clear and more detailed footage even in dark environments. Only works with Blueskysea B4K dash cam. Plug this rear camera fully into the main B4K dash cam unit before powering on. The highest solution is up to 4K at 24 fps or 1080p at 30 fps. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.